Hi everyone, this is Carlo and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how I created and painted, step by step, an artwork that is very dear to me, and it's called Titans. I wanted to submit an entry for a very important art contest about climate, which is a matter that concerns all of us more and more each year. Climate not only seen as emergency and crisis, but also as manifestation and everyday experience. In September 2021, the Cumbre Vieja volcano on the Canary island of La Palma started erupting, destroying plantations, farmlands and cities, and reaching the Atlantic Ocean. In this artwork, I wanted to portray two strong forces of nature, fire and water. I called the painting Titans, but I chose not to focus on the clash between the two forces, but instead on a dramatic coexistence of the two, under the umbrella of a bigger and universal force, which is Mother Nature. There is no trace of the human element in this painting. No people, no houses, no man-made structure. What we see is lava, earth and ocean. As per usual, I started with a quick sketch, pencil on paper, that will help me visualize the final image, define the areas where I needed to create texture and come up with a plan of action. I love compositions that develop diagonally, and I thought this would be perfect for this concept. I transferred the sketch on a cotton canvas and I jumped straight to one of my favorite processes, the creation of texture. In Titans, one big area is dominated by volcanic rocks, and there's also a small central strip of volcanic sand. The media that I mixed together for the rocks are modeling paste. This one is by Pebeo. It's a very thick one and it gives a lot of body. Also extra coarse Pumice gel, which gives the rough finish to the mixture. And I also decided to add bath salts. I mixed everything together, adjusting quantities and proportions. Time to apply the texture on the canvas with a knife. Usually this kind of paste dries in a few hours, but I always let it dry overnight just to be on the safe side. The base color of the rocks would be a very dark grey, almost black, in which I also mix some blue to make it colder. Again, it's a base coat. I normally apply 2 or 3 layers of color, so at this stage I don't go for details yet. I've never painted a volcano eruption before. So the first challenge for me was to try and convey not only the idea of lava flowing and exploding, but also the image that I had in my mind of an earth that cracks and reveals a fire underneath, like a system of arteries and veins pumping blood. It was time to start working on the second force in action, the ocean, which is what I'm obsessed with, as you can see from my previous art. I went for my usual mix of phthalocyanine blue and green, but I wanted a dark shade and some underlaying deep blue areas. This is how the first layers of the land and the sea looked like. I was very happy with the texture work, but there was still a lot to do. To create the lava, I used a different kind of modeling paste. This is by Sennelier. It's less thick, more fluid. The base color is an orange-red with some gold added to it. It will be the starting point, and I will add later a richer layer of red, black areas and golden accents. While this was drying, I gave a second and a third layer to the ocean. I've also applied some black lava gel to the beach. This will dry transparent, but it will leave strikes of black granules on the canvas, which will suggest the undertow of the waves on the sand. The work on the details of the lava took some time, but at the end I was pleased with the result. The most satisfying part for me is to add movement and motion to the waves, adding texture for the foam and bringing the sea to life. I used an old toothbrush to spray some paint, a lighter grey to give an element of talc or calcium to the rocks. And I also added more golden accents to the lava. And here it is. This is Titans once finished. I hope you liked it, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to check the creativity playlist on this channel. And also feel free to leave a like and a comment below. Thank you once again for watching. Bye for now and see you soon.